I was reading today about they're trying to get motorcycles into the 2024 Olympics. They want to find something that would be appealing to, of course, the most people. So the best they could come up with was trials course, which is cool to watch if you ever watch the guys hopping around on a little bike from rock to rock or obstacle to obstacle. FIM is the one pushing it. I think in Europe the story said trial bikes are big over there. I know people use them over here to train, work on their balance and all that. You can go over to Pendletown YouTube channel, see him on his new trials bike, but it's a little two-stroke engine. He says it's a blast. He climbs stuff like, of course he's a pro dirt bike rider, but he's not a pro trials rider, but he's way above what your average rider would be on one. But FIM's pushing it to be in the 2024 Olympics. The catch is the Olympic Committee don't want to have anything to do with internal combustion engine. So they're looking at electric trial bike. In the story, it has a guy on a Yamaha jumping around on rocks, climbing stuff and all that like they normally do, but it's on an electric bike. It sounds like a little electric RC car. If you go to Revzilla's website, you can check it out and watch the video of that Yamaha, and hopefully they'll get into the 2024 Olympics. Thanks for watching.